Hello friends, welcome to Famous Tech. This is Realme XT smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can do hard reset or factory data reset in Realme XT smartphone. First of all, switch off your phone Realme XT. Just long press the power button. Long press it and swipe like this. Your phone is switched off now. Now you have to use power button and volume down button together. Power button is on right side, volume down button is on left side. Just press them together for a few seconds. Yes, press power button and volume down button together for a few seconds, about 1 to 5 seconds, and release those buttons. Now wait few seconds. Now select the language. Here select wipe data, third option, wipe data. Now it will ask for pattern password, just give it. Here you can select second option, format data, click OK. So it will erase everything including your contacts, SMS, photos and everything in your local folders. Just you have to wait, click OK and it will automatically restart your phone. Just keep on waiting. Yes, your phone has started and you can set your phone like a fresh one. Here select the language. You can use mobile data or turn it off and click continue. You can here skip this option. Click continue. Click more. Click accept. You can skip fingerprint, face and passcode settings. You can set it later. Click continue. You can turn off auto update. Click continue. Now click on set as a new phone. You can deselect some default apps that are selected already. Click on start experimenting. Yes, your phone has started and it's set all. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos and learn.